Morning.
Hello.
What address have you got? What address have you got?
If you're not the person involved, then I don't have to disclose that to you. You've seen it now.
Thanks. There.
Okay, you ready?
Yep. Sorry, who are you?
Don't need to say that. I'm minding my own business.
What's the business? Public interest matter.
Here with bailiffs.
Can be arrested.
Can we call the police? Can we dial 999?
It's relevant because
Good.
okay.
You're saying that the judge said we could be arrested?
Yeah, don't.
No, we need to call the police. We call 999 police.
Have you seen the paperwork? As a locksmith, have you seen the paperwork?
Thank you.
Have you seen the paperwork? I've worked as a locksmith, I know what you've got to go through.
Thanks.
Where's your paperwork? Where's your proof?
You can't appeal county court to a county court.
No.
Has to go to the High Court. That's not an appeal.
Can you get that out of my face, please?
No, this is public footpath. You're intimidating, harassing us.
I'm not doing anything. I'm stood here minding my
You're
own
in
business.
charge. You're running this show.
Is it Holly?
Holly. Thank you. Her name is Holly.
So could you just identify yourself today? Who are you?
No, I'm not prepared to.
Because that's part of your remit. You have to identify yourself to these people.
You've been set up, my friend. You've been set up. You don't want to get involved with this lot. It's Lloyds Banking Group. They've been jailed.
Stupid woman! Don't walk in front of the car! Get the fuck out of my way! Get the fuck out of my way!
Are you a professional? Are you a professional? That's threatening, and that's more than that. So I'm going to report you to the police when they
Well,
come.
report me to the fucking police then, you
stood on
fucking
that
idiot!
foot.
Well, get out of my fucking way, I won't stand on you! Who are you?
Oh,
Who are
nice
you?
man, aren't you? Very nice man.
You need to stand him down now. Court
Very
bailiff.
nice man.
Court bailiff, stand him down
Blah,
now.
blah, blah.
He's very aggressive.
Yeah.
That's on camera.
Put my car on, I'm moving it. Get on here as quickly as possible.
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks, bye.
I don't give you permission to film it. This is a private
You're
road.
on private
This
road.
is a private
You
road.
don't live here.
Yeah, neither do you. Stop filming me.
You're thieves and robbers and killers. Murderers. Don't call her Holly. She doesn't want us to know her name.
Employing people like this. I
I
did witness it, but I didn't get it on camera.
I
So
was just standing by the car.
When the police arrive.
No, is he legit? How do I know that he's legit? If somebody's breaking into a property, I want to know that he's legit, don't I? So I asked for the paperwork.
Absolutely fine. As I say, when the police arrive,
No,
then we'll explain it all.
No, they don't have to
okay?
explain it. We just want to see paperwork. You'll work
Dawn
the paperwork.
Taylor.
don't you?
Yeah, we do.
Yeah, but police work for bailiffs, don't they?
We've got all the paperwork, don't worry.
So,
Delivery
police
director.
are what? What are they? How are they going to work? Civil matters.
As a court bailiff, you have the responsibility of standing down now, he's aggressive. He stood on my foot.
Oh, poor fuck.
Right? And his attitude towards the lady, he's swearing in public. Stop swearing. Stop swearing. That's a public order offence. This man is a liability.
You drove over me and you hurt me, so I will have to.
Right, please be you can tell them all about it, can't you?
There they are.
Please talk to me, don't be talk to me, but anytime you can talk to them. And at the end of it, okay? Don't waste your time.
Back up. Backup's arrived.
There we go.
Here comes the police. Oh,
Yeah, and a crowbar and everything. You want to fucking try and break it?